Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have super exciting episode for you. So for today guys, this would be the first time that I would be doing this, and I would be doing a collaboration video with my bag sister, I Am Bag Happy. And in this episode guys, what we are going to do is we are going to choose top 3 current favorite bags from our very own collection and top 2 favorite bags from each other's collection. So make sure you stay tuned until the very end of this video. Hi guys, Ron Romero here, suking budgetarian fashionista. I vlog about fashion, shopping, luxury, bags and accessories, travel and lifestyle. I am inviting you guys to please join our growing family by clicking on this small icon here, the subscribe button, so you could be part of our loving family. Also, please do give me the thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you would be updated every time I will be uploading a new video. Also guys, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Romero5 so you can get daily updates. Alright, so again guys, I'm super excited to be doing this vlog episode today because this is the first time that I would be doing a collaboration video. And again, I would be doing this with my dear friend I Am Bag Happy. So guys, please do make sure you check her video out both in YouTube and Instagram because again, she has the hashtag Buzzworthy Bag Collection. So for this episode guys, like what I mentioned, what we will be doing, so technically we are going to choose top 5 current favorite bags. So top 3 would be coming from my very own collection and the 2 would be coming from each other's collection. So I'm very excited to be sharing these to you guys. So make sure you stay tuned until the very end of this video. Now let us begin. Alright, so I would love to start with my bag sister's bag collection. I would be choosing top 2 for her. So the very first bag that I would be choosing or that I love from I Am Bag Happy's collection is the white Fendi Baguette. So guys, I am a huge fan of Fendi, as you know. So hopefully in the future, I would be doing my very own video of my baguette. But when I saw I Am Bag Happy's baguette, I super fell in love with what she have. I believe the color is white. I love the genuine leather material of the Fendi Baguette. So Fendi always uses the most luxurious and most softest calf or lambskin material for Fendi Baguette. So this one again guys, the baguette is very iconic from Fendi because you know it was also very popular during Sex and the City. On a side note guys, stay tuned because Sex and the City would be coming back and I'm very excited. So I'm very excited whether they're going to use Fendi Baguette again, like what they did during the season 3 of their Sex and the City. So anyways, going back to the video bag rather guys. So the reason why I love the Fendi Baguette of I Am Bag Happy, so I love the size of this one. It's perfect. And this is this bag would transform from day to night. So again, like what I mentioned, the size is perfect. This would carry all the essentials that I would need, and I can actually use this on different occasions, like for example, running errands, date nights, or meetings. I love the look. It's very luxurious and it looks very chic. That's why I love the Fendi Baguette of I Am Bag Happy as my top 2. Alright, the top 1 bag from I Am Bag Happy's collection that I so love is of course her classic Chanel bags. So actually I should just be choosing one, but I can't. So I would be choosing 2 for this discussion. So I would be choosing I Am Bag Happy's classic or the vintage Chanel flap bags, one in black and one in the classic beige. So I believe the black one is, if I'm not mistaken, it's called the Diana bag. So for the reason why I'm choosing the Chanel bag, so number 1 is because Chanel, I'm currently on a Chanel craze as of the moment, so I don't have any Chanel bags in my collection. So I wanted, or as much as possible, I would like to start my Chanel collection as early as possible. So there is a beauty with vintage Chanel bags. Number 1, the beauty of vintage Chanel bags would be the hardware that they're using. For vintage Chanel bags, I believe it's gold plated. It's gold plated and it looks more luxurious. I love, you know, that it's yellow gold. For me, it looks very, very chic, very looks luxurious. Like for example, this Black Diana Chanel flap bag, you would see how beautiful the gold-plated CC logo in reference to the black lambskin leather, the diamond quilting. And then of course, the classic beige classic flap. So this one, love the color. I believe this one would, like the black lambskin, it would go, you know, with all of the styles or clothes that you have. So it's very, very easy to wear. So I love definitely the classic flap bag of Chanel, and I love this vintage pieces from I Am Bag Happy, and hopefully soon I could have my very own Chanel pieces introduced to my collection. Alright, let's move into top 3 current favorite bags on my very own collection. So for my current favorite bag collection, guys, the reason why I am choosing this, so again, current, because as you know, we are in a pandemic, and in my personal experience, guys, I don't go out as much as I wanted to. As I would just be going out definitely if it's necessary. So there will be certain occasions that I would just be going out. That's why these 3 current favorite bags would be under my rotation. So let us begin. So for errand days, guys, like for example, I would need to do grocery shopping or would be doing light shopping, this is the bag that I would be choosing. So this is my top 3. This is my vintage Papillon bag from Louis Vuitton. So I have just did a review of this bag. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it somewhere here and put it in the description box. So this one, I super love this on an errand day for a couple of reasons. Number one is this bag is very carefree. As you would see, the material of this bag is in black epi leather, and you know, guys, that epi leather, if you have one in your collection, it's virtually indestructible because you can scratch it easily, and of course it doesn't come with the vachetta leather, so that's why it's very carefree. So the leather trims that it comes with is black genuine leather, as you would see here. So this one, it doesn't come with a crossbody bag or shoulder strap, but that is not an issue because on that video that I did, I have shown you a couple of hacks where you could just attach any shoulder bags from your collection. So you would be attaching it here on the buckles here, one in front and then one at the back, and then you can transform this handbag into a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, in which it would be more convenient for me to use, like for example, like what I mentioned, whenever I would be doing grocery. So I love how carefree this bag is compared to, for example, I would be carrying a monogram with a vachetta leather bag, which is not treated. Plus, I love that this is a vintage bag because, again, since it is a vintage bag anymore, so because as you know, like for example, supermarket runs, the bags that we are normally carrying are the bags that we feel that we do not need to take care or baby as much. So this is one of these bags, so I wouldn't care, like for example, I would be bumping this one or have a little bit water spillage on this one because I could easily wipe it off. That is why, guys, for my top 3 current favorite bag is this black epi leather or the Papillon bag from Louis Vuitton. Alright, my top 2 current favorite bag from my own collection. So this one, I would be carrying it on a work day. So it is my Givenchy Antigona bag in mini size. So again, guys, I have already made a unboxing and review of this one. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to link it up here and put it in the description box. So why I love this bag on a work day. So normally when I say work day, it is like, for example, I would be vlogging outside. I would be doing, you know, one of my favorite vlogs, which is shopping vlogs, and normally I would be bringing you guys with me. So I love this one on a work day because the size is perfect. Yes, it's a mini size, so Givenchy is calling this mini size, but definitely it would carry a lot. So definitely this could fit my Fujifilm X-T200 camera. It would fit my cell phone. It would also fit the essentials that I would need So it's perfect. I love it. The look of this one is a little bit understated, so it doesn't, it doesn't come with any logo except for the Givenchy logo here in front, over there. So I love the color of this one. I could style it, with any of the clothes that I have. So the perfect thing about this bag, that's why I love it for, shopping vlog day, is of course, number one, it comes with the top handle over here, as you can see. So it has two beautiful roll top handles, one in front, one in back. Then of course, it comes with the shoulder strap. So this is the very first version, I believe, of the Givenchy Antigona, because with the newer ones, I'm hearing a lot of complaints from the owners, because here, I think on the buckles here, it's a little bit different, because this one, this strap is detachable, but for you to be able to detach the strap fully is with these studs over here. So let me just focus it for you, one moment, guys. So there, so you need to remove those studs first for you to be able to remove fully the shoulder straps. Unlike the newer Givenchy Antigona, they're saying that sometimes it would accidentally come off with the two D-rings over here. So this one, I don't have any issues. So I could carry this one as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody. And I'm going to be honest, guys, I love this bag. It has already traveled with me internationally. So this one already came with me to Hong Kong, to Shanghai, to Beijing, to Taipei, and I don't have any issues with this one. That's why this is so perfect with workday and with the current situation that we have. I just need to be a little bit careful with this bag whenever I'm carrying it, because it comes with a very luxurious calfskin or box leather over here. But aside from that one, the Givenchy Antigona would be perfect. That's why I am choosing it top 2 from my current favorite bag collection. That would be perfect for shopping vlog or workday. Alright, my top 1 current favorite bag from my very own collection is my Louis Vuitton Petit sac Plat. Let me just get it for you guys. So here it is. So again, guys, I have done a unboxing of this one. If you haven't seen that one, I'm going to link it up here, put it in the description box. I have done an extensive review, what fits, etc, etc. So for this one, guys, why I am choosing this to be my top 1. So my top 1, guys, would be a date night or something special or an evening that you need to go out. So this one I super love to be carrying, like for example, date night or special dinner, because of the size. The size is perfect. So again, guys, this comes with the, so like what I mentioned earlier, I was saying that be very careful with the non-treated vachetta. So that is the one thing that I love with my Petit sac Plat, because the vachetta leather of this one is already patinaed. So it means that this vachetta leather was pre-treated, so that's why I got this one. So it means this is a carefree bag. I would not need to worry about, for this one with water stains or it aging incorrectly, which is my fear for the non-treated vachetta leather. Number 2 reason why I like this one would be the size. So like what I mentioned, I would be carrying this mostly for date nights or special dinners. Again, guys, adhering to proper health protocols and guidelines, of course, so don't forget. In that review, I have done a what fits inside. So this would fit most of the essentials that I would need. So definitely my phone, my hygiene kits, etc. So it would be perfect. And number 3 would be the usability of this bag. So this comes with of course, a shoulder strap. So I could carry this bag 3 ways. So I could carry it as a tote like this. Then I could attach the shoulder strap. So again, it comes with the shoulder strap is inside the box, guys. I'm sorry. So you just need to attach the shoulder straps here. So it comes with this D-ring in front and another one at the back. So you can carry this one as a shoulder bag over here. And then you could definitely carry this one as a crossbody, and it would sit nicely over here. So hopefully I could do mod shots and attach it over here. That's why that's number 3. And number 4, of course, would be the style of this bag, because this one, as you know, I love bags that are unique, very, very fashion forward. This one, I believe, not just for date nights, like for example, post-pandemics, if they're already allowing events such as fashion shows, etc. I'm actually dreaming, like for example, if given the chance, I would travel to Paris, and if I got invited to a Louis Vuitton fashion show, definitely this is the bag that I would be carrying, because it looks very fashion forward and it looks very edgy and it suits my style. That's why the Petit sack Plat, I super love this in my collection and would be a forever bag. That's why it's perfect as the top 1 favorite in my current bag collection. Alright, so how did you love our episode for today, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed that. That 5 current favorite bag collection. So 3 from me and 2 from I Am Bag Happy. Hope you enjoyed my very first collaboration video, and hopefully I could do more with more of my friends here in YouTube. Alright, so before we end our vlog episode, let's do comment of the day. So I would like to say thank you to Tina Yap. So Tina commented on our Save Money Luxury It Bag video. Thank you so much, Tina, for watching that vlog, and I do appreciate this. I love watching your vlog videos as well. Thank you so much, Tina, and have a great day. Alright, so again, guys, I'm inviting you to join our growing family. Click that subscribe button. So again, there's a little icon here, that subscribe button. Click on that one so you can easily join our growing and loving family. Also, guys, please do click on that notification bell and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so again, guys, thank you so much for joining me in this vlog episode today. I would see you very soon. Please do stay safe and healthy all the time. Bye!